Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change manage buttons on your headphones Beats Studio Buds Plus with using iOS device. You have to start by open settings, then click on your device or go to Bluetooth and click on your device here. Now click on press and hold. And right here you can turn on volume control. It means that you can increase and lower the volume by using multifunctional buttons on your headphones. Or you can also turn on Siri, like to manage it. Click on the left one and choose Siri right here. By default, you have a noise control, so you can turn on noise cancellation, transparency mode, or turn off all of modes. Let's click on volume control. Now return, and you can also click to reject a call. By default, you should press one time, but if you want to, you can click on press twice, and to reject a call, you need 2 times press on multifunctional button right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!